we got going on.
Alright, so John's driving. We had to throw a bunch of our stuff in here very quickly. Brani's on the side seat. We have this whole speaker right here. We've been packing. We're moving. We have all these cabinets. Should probably shut that. Shower.
Can you fix a mirror so I don't crash?
The top one? A little to the right.
The top one's not. This is.
No.
This is auto.
Fucking is auto.
I think you just cut my eye too.
He's going with the double chocolate Don.
Double C's.
Double CD.
CC.
Put that back C section. We're driving to Kearney.
You can bleep this out, right?
Odds we don't have to stop in 30 minutes to go piss again? Weak bladder melee. Weak bladder melee.
Welcome back to the Discovery Channel on the girls. How are you going to Florida? As such, like so.
Oh jeez. Alright, that's good, that's good. John's never seen the Mississippi. There we go, he's past it. Look at that, boys, go! What'd you get?
I got.
Wait, yeah, you never said how much that was.
It was 21.78.
$21 at Taco Bell. How does one do that?
Where's the fill-up tank at? Am I going the wrong way?
Fill up tank, you mean the gas station? It'd be over there.
HQ, this is Whale Zulu! We're gonna get our boys out of the combat zone in one piece! Let's go, boys! Get some!
Hey guys, so we're out here in Walnut, Iowa. Yeah, it's focused. Say hi to the camera, folks. Yeah. Got this guy with the drone way up there. So this is where I break the news to Pat. No, your drone is on the middle of the highway, got ran over by a few cars.
Help him.
Oscar, no! Whoa, relax, relax. Alright, John had to replace Oscar.
Dude, I didn't see the fucking lines. I wasn't.
Alright, that's a wrap on day one. We're here in Kearney, Nebraska at a Cabela's. You can hear a truck drive by. What are you are you okay? We gotta wake up at 6 a.m. That's in about 4 hours.
Oh, good.